day 12 on Chapelle and it's just me today, making a good start on the planning. There's a couple of drawing boards in front of me there. The wind's dropped considerably since last week, which doesn't half help, stops the tapes flapping about. I thought I'd just show you today the porpoise pit. Now that the porpoise is gone, we took it out successfully, what we could get of it on Friday afternoon, and here's the pit it was in. As I said, looking very much like a grave cut would look, cut down into the gneiss, into the Chapelle gneiss, into the bedrock, and quite a nice flat base put on the pit. Certainly some effort was made was taken to sort of cut it out nicely. And if I go down here and then look back at the section, I can show you, hopefully, if I can work out how to hold the camera and use a pointy stick at the same time, show you the sort of the key points in the section. The porpoise itself, or what's left of it, is still visible in the section down here. That light coloured patch there at the end of the stick is the vertebra, and you can see the cut of the pit very clearly on this side. Comes in there, down here. It's a bit less clear on that side, but it's still there, and it's cut in from this level here, and that's important because that's the top of the medieval level. There's no sign at all that the grave, the pit, is cut in from the modern surface up here. All of this is post-medieval deposition, post-medieval soil build up around the rubble that was tipped in here. It's been quite heavily burrowed by rats. There's actually bits of polythene right down here, but the pit itself with the porpoise in it is securely medieval. The fill down at the bottom, this sort of part is a bit darker. It's retained its moisture better, porpoise juice I suppose, and whatever else was in there, but it's been filled back in up to that level. It's probably slumped a bit as the porpoise decayed, so there are different lenses of material here, but from a sort of archaeological stratigraphy point of view, it's all good and medieval. So we shall see what we can get out of the remains itself, and I'll crack on with my drawing. I've probably got another half an hour, 3/4 of an hour or so till the tide comes up.